Hi there, students. An anomaly. Okay, a countable noun. As an adjective, anomalous. Yeah. Okay, an anomaly is something that is a deviation from the norm. It's something that's unexpected. It's different from what is usual. It doesn't agree with the facts or with some other theory. It's not satisfactory. Okay, so an anomaly, something that is different from the norm, it's different from what's expected. It's an oddity, a peculiarity, an abnormality, an irregularity. Okay, so an anomaly in the statistics, something that is just very different. Um, this something that's not easily classified. It's not easily put into a group. It's something different and abnormal. It deviates from the normal rule. It's incongruous. It's a departure. Yeah. Okay. So it's something different from what you normally expect. Um, okay, so something that's an anomaly is it departs from the normal. It's unorthodox. It's just not a statistic that is not what you would expect. Um, okay, so yeah, a statistical anomaly. Well, if you ignore the statistical anomalies, maybe then you're massaging the statistics. Okay, so an anomaly is something that you don't expect to see. I think maybe 100 years ago, much of the weather we see nowadays would have been an anomaly, but this is now becoming regular. Okay, so it's something that you don't expect to see. It's just the odd man out. It's weird. It's an irregularity. Um, okay, so yeah, this guy is an anomaly. His tastes are completely different from those of the mainstream. So maybe he's a bit of an oddity, a bit of a rarity. Yeah. I think perhaps the word an anomaly also it may be between the lines saying that something's not right, there's something wrong with it. Yeah, it's maybe a defect or a malformation. Yeah, but an anomaly, something that's just very, very different. Anomalous, the adjective. This is an anomalous reading. Formality and anomaly. I'm going to give it a 6 in formality. I think you could just about use it informally, although just something unusual, something weird, something strange is better informally. Use it semi-formally, semi-formal writing, or even formally as well. And then as to origin, it comes from ancient Greek, from anomalos, meaning irregular or uneven, ana, away from, and homalos, meaning even, or homos, the same. So away from the same, yeah? So everything's the same and there's something away from it, yeah? You have this graph that goes like this, and suddenly you've got a reading like this. That's probably an anomaly. Yeah, it's an abnormality. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Anomaly.